So Krishna disappeared, and then there's some comments they have. The acharyas giving comments. Jiva Goswami has a brief comment. He says, Krishna's inexplicable and sudden disappearance makes the gopis very unhappy. The sadness of the gopis is intense because Krishna is their sole beloved in Braj. And because the gopis depend on Krishna alone, like female elephants depend on their male leader. So if a lion comes and wants to eat up the little baby elephants, the cubs, or whatever they call them, baby cub elephants or whatever, and then, or the females that are not so aggressive, so the king, oftentimes the classic story is the king elephant, the bull elephant is fighting with the lion. Many times the elephant wins also. He picks up the lion and throws him against a tree and kills him. And sometimes, most of the time, he loses because he's too slow. Well, this is a classic. So this analogy has many deep meanings which the acharyas bring out from different levels, other than just dependence and protection also. So the Jiva Goswami says this much. Actually, we're reading the English, but he's actually commenting on various words of the verse, like it says that their sorrow, great remorse, because the word in Sanskrit is atapyan, atapyams. Atapyams means sorrow and remorse, but he says it's intense. How intense? It's so intense that it burns your heart. It burns your mind. Because the word tap means burning. Fire. T-A-P. So when we perform Ekadasi, tapasya, or renunciation, or vows of self-restraint, then our minds may get a little heated, or we may get a little overheated, especially if you do Nirjal Ekadasi. And oftentimes, the body can contain the increase in heat during the Ekadasi Brat of Nirjal, no eating or drinking water. But then the next day, on Dwadasi, before the Paran time, before breaking the fast, the body, oftentimes, human body, cannot contain the increase in heat. So the devotee, he breaks out in a cold sweat. His whole body becomes totally wet because the heat is trying to get out somehow. It's very, very purifying. Nirjala Ekadasi. We have many years of understanding this. So this is tapasya, burning. What is burning? Karmani nirahati kintu chabakti bhajan. The karmani, the seeds of desire, the kutam and bijam, they're burning up by the top. So the gopis are atapyan. Atapyan means they're burning. They're burning in the austerity of fasting from Krishna, of missing Krishna. The Rasa, without drinking the Rasa of Krishna's association, they're burning. So